Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 5 of my drawing tutorials. In this lesson I'd like you to be a bit more hands-on again like you were last week, which by the way I was very impressed with a lot of the designs, so well done. So for this lesson I'd like to do a water bottle. So this is a basic one, it's a simple shape as you can see, so you can be as imaginative as you like. So before you get on with it, I'd like to show you a quick little tip. So it's obviously quite hard to go straight into drawing 3D, similar to lesson 2 with the Coke can. So it's quite hard to just go, right, I'm going to make it that shape, while doing it all in 3D. So the best tip I have for you for that is just do about a third of the page. So there's a lot of room for you to do 3D drawing. But in one side of the page, do a straight line or two and do it from side on, so make it look as interesting and cool as you can, but it just makes it a lot quicker to get your ideas down, and then you can pick your favourite and draw that in 3D. So don't do this all over the page, because otherwise, well, it's just all 2D then. What you want to do is just straight line with a ruler or anything straight that you have around your desk, and then just go for it really. So those are just a few quick ones. So if you would like to do, say, that one, because it's not too hard to actually draw, just do an underline on it with a bit of a colour around the outside, or something like that. Something simple. Just points out that is what you're trying to draw. And then, because that would all be cylinders, you can do a bit more of the details. So going from dark on the outside to light on the inside. Like that. It just shows it's going round. Ooh. So with this, it'd be darker on the outside edge because of all the shadowing that it gets when it gets further away. So that just points that out. Like that. So you obviously start off with a cylinder. So what I'd expect you to show me is about 3, maybe a second line, so about 6 2D side view drawings. So make them relatively quick so you can spend a bit more time on your 3D drawing, and I'd like 1 or 2 final drawings of 3D versions like this. I did this very quickly, so I'd expect you to spend a little bit more time and put more features in. Try and be quite imaginative, but yeah, just remember, it is a water bottle, and that is its main function. So yeah, good luck, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you produce.